Let me show you something that looks like a simple map, but actually tells a much bigger story. Imagine you are responsible for thousands of street lights across your city. When one goes out, it's not just a dot on the screen, it's safety, citizen complaints, and unplanned maintenance. The teams on the ground needs answers like, what's broken near me right now? While leadership is asking, where should we invest next quarter? This demo connects those questions end to end. On the surface, it's an interactive map. Neighborhood overview, fault light analysis, and supplier coverage. It feels like a tool an operations team could use tomorrow. Underneath, it's Postgres with PostGIS extension plus a lightweight Streamlit app, the kind of stack many organizations already have, stitched together into a clear, visual story about reliability and safety. The next step is where it becomes really powerful. Every change in that operational database streams into Snowflake using Openflow. No brittle, hand-built pipelines. Once it's there, you can ask natural language questions like which neighborhoods are most at a risk this monsoon? Or how many bulb failures should we plan for next month and what budget does this imply? You also get concrete recommendations, how many bulbs to stock, how to staff our upcoming week, and where to focus on maintenance. So this isn't just a cool map, it's a pattern. Take the operational data you already have in Postgres, add just enough spatial context and enrichment, stream it into Snowflake, and put AI on top to turn it into decisions. You can reuse this story across smart cities, asset management, logistics, anywhere things in the real world would fail, move, or need attention. And the best part is, it feels tangible and real in a 2-minute demo, but it's built from components teams can actually ship with.